that one.
Sure, you're not going to like what I'm going to do either.
You hang on to him and the seat. There you go.
There you go.
Now, but I got to put my leg over.
Yeah, that's the hard part. You're almost there.
Get off.
Yes, you will.
I'm sorry I grabbed you so tight.
Here you go. We're going to pull this up.
Okay.
That's in front of you.
But it's moving.
Now you can put your arms
Yeah.
out.
I'm gonna lean up against it.
Don't, and just, and
No,
don't
you're not.
wiggle.
Just lean right back.
Just go with the flow. Don't wiggle.
Now, the other thing.
He's taking pictures.
Oh, I'm videotaping this. You kidding me?
Dana,
Shoot, that was going to
sit
bring
straight.
down
Don't-
the camera, too.
Don't lean. You let me do
Shoot.
the turning. All right? Whatever I do with this
It's
bike,
going out. Why is it moving out?
It's because it needs to be tightened.
just hang on to it.
I'll pull it towards
But Ma, you hear him? You don't lean. You sit straight no matter what. Right? You
If
just sit in the
start
curve.
leaning, I lose
Well, no, it
control.
would unbalance the whole thing, right?
Yeah, I lose control under
Right.
them conditions.
We don't want to lose control.
No, we don't, because we heal hard
Yes.
and long.
I'll slide your visor down a little bit.
There you go.
Hang on.
Well, that sun is good.
There you go.
You hold on to that? You can hold on to that. Yeah, like
Yeah.
that.
That's my backrest. You're not going anywhere. I'm going to lock you in. All set? Sure?
I really enjoyed it, guys.
Oh, it's too much.